Hi guys, this is Artem with the Spray Gunner, and I'm here at the beautiful place today. This is east coast of the east coast, Atlantic side of Florida, 200 miles roughly away from our office. And I'm here to meet an artist tomorrow, but today I decided to take some time and show you something I didn't show you before. This is what we call the SprayGunner's delivery truck, and it's custom painted by Chrome Air Studio. It's all Credex paints. I think it's little Chrome Air paints actually in it, but we decided to make a little complicated design just to kind of give our vision of what we do, of what SprayGunner does. So let me show you. It's all started with the motor, and of course it's our compressors. We supply our air powered tools mostly, and that's in the very heart of this car. And from it, you can see it's 6-cylinder, of course, because the car is 6-cylinder, and it's really fun car. It's 4-wheel drive. As you see, we do a little yeah, it's not in cleanest condition right now. We do have a little fun here on the beach, but it can take you places, it can take us places and can deliver. So from the engine, which are compressors, we have hoses going all over the place, and they supply airbrushes. That's what we do, we supply airbrushes. It goes to spray guns, and of course we supply spray guns. And so it continues to the rear part of the car, of course, and we have the pinstripe brush here, we have the paint right there if you can see it. And we're gonna have this truck plate painted because everybody thought it's wrapped. It's not wrapped, it's really painted with Credex colors and some real nice clear coat on top. Actually, it's a custom creative 2K on top of everything except for the hood insert, which is the Credex Phoenix satin. Yes, that's the satin. And it's functional, it's not just delivery truck, okay? So we can go to customers and have some fun, have some demos. On the back here we have the shelf with a bunch of supplies. I mean, started with all kind of paints. We have the illustration colors here because tomorrow we're scheduled to meet the laser artist. We have the LK shoes, clear coats, of course, for that. Ready, stencils, markers, cleaners, 4 airbrushes here. It's our new product if you didn't see it yet. It's a battery-powered small airbrush. So we have 4 of those ready to go. More airbrushes here on the shelf. We have lights, we have easels. It's a really small truck, but it's well organized and equipped. And the secret is here in the back. Okay, if we remove this cover, you might see this battery right there. It's a pretty big battery, and it's meant to power this pretty big guy. Okay, this no-name master blaster compressor. And as you can see, 10 airbrushes, right? We're ready. We can plug the third hose here, connect 3 airbrushes to this compressor. Normally just use 2 and battery powered if you need more. We have paints, we can test any airbrush we supply. That's what SprayGunner do, okay? We want you to make the right choice, and instead of just telling you, hey, this is airbrush, this is good for you, try it. I don't know which one is good for you, nobody knows except for you. So that's why we have this truck. We come into you if you have doubts, and yeah, test airbrush, see us, find this truck. If you see it on the street, take a picture, visit for 10% of your next order. Just post it on social media or wherever, we'll send you a code. But pretty much, yeah, it's gonna go to all interesting events. It's gonna go to meet some customers, some studios around, and do the demos of whatever paint, airbrush, supplies, airbrushes themselves. That's what it's designed for, okay? Thank you for support, guys. Appreciate the business. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.